we're gonna cut the cake and taste how it looks. So let's cut it, Susanna.
I'm just scared. No, you're gonna mess this time.
Let's go. Put it in, guys.
No.
Yes.
I'm a mix too, mommy. You mess this na table.
Hi guys. My name is Joanna and my sister name is Susanna. So actually we're watching one movie. This is Villain Going Boys. Guys, you can watch that. It's very good movie. So we thought of making cake because when we see this movie, their hair was like a cake. My mother keeps everything over there, so let's go. Mama, my princess here, guys. Okay, guys, so let's start. This is 3 ingredients cake. Guys, this is on YouTube and it's full of 3 ingredients cake. And my grandma and my auntie just tried that and it was so tasty. I want to see that, but I can't see that cake. So guys, we also wanted to try the cake. Let's see how it tastes, guys. We just need biscuits, milk, baking powder. That is 3 ingredients cake, guys. Let's start. We need leftovers. Me and my sister eat so many biscuits, so that's why we left. That's why we need leftovers for this one. I have taken 3 off of packets. I'm going to make this Good Day biscuits also. We have to make these biscuits as powder. My mother is going to grind it and get it. This is the powder we made from biscuits. Oh my god, there's more. It's never come out, mommy. Baking powder. I'm going to take 1 spoon of baking powder. Let's write this on the bed.
I'm a mix too, mommy.
You should never ever mix.
Mommy, give me milk, mommy, please.
Mix it.
Dad, this is milk.
Guys, this is milk. Let's pour it in.
Let's go. Pour it in, guys. No.
Yes. Guys, I'm going to mix this nice silky milk. Guys, I don't know what's going to happen next, guys. I think this is about to be a cake or not because I don't know. We have to preheat this oven for 5 minutes in 160 degrees. My mom's going to do that and I'm going to help my mom. Boom.
160 and 4 minutes.
Again, mommy.
This is the batter.
And wait a minute, shape circle.
It should be like this and I will mix it for everybody to see. It's literally like cake batter, guys. Guys, the smell is so good. I want to eat it now. Guys, you're going to pour this in the cake pan. First, you should rub the oil in the cake pan.
Hey, it's mine.
Okay, this is a nice paintbrush. We have to spread it everywhere. Guys, you should pour the batter inside. So let's start.
Okay, my mom is good, guys. My sister is so small.
I'm scared.
I'm
just scared.
No, you're gonna mess this time.
I'm not messing it, Susanna. I'm trying it. I'll try a little bit. Guys, we should tap like this for air bubbles, guys. We have to take this.
Hey! It's anti-mommy, naughty! Mommy, you're careful, mommy!
I'm going to put this inside. My mother is going to help me. My mother is going to keep this inside, guys.
My mom is so strong.
Mommy, what are you cutting? We have to put this for 160 degrees for 50 minutes first. Not more. Daddy and juice.
Cookie challenges now.
We have to wait and watch. After that, we cut you. Guys, see, this is so yummy. After 20 minutes. Let's do sushi and not sticky, guys, now. So, guys, the cake is ready and we have 2 cakes. One for Susanna and one for me. We thought of doing cake and we also covering with the chocolate. We have jams and we also have
Sprinkles.
We have this chocolate spread to spread all of the cake. We're going to use this, guys, so let's start. Guys, so this is the cake, so we are about to decorate it. So we just spread the chocolate. So guys, we decorate. See up. Guys, we're also using the sticks to decorate. So let's move on. So guys, it's the cake, so let's start eating. So we're going to cut the cake and taste how it looks. So let's cut it, Susanna.
I'm small.
Okay, I'm going to cut like this. I want to bake. Guys, it's so yummy. If you want to do the cake, then watch this video and do this. If you think it's nice, then add the same decorations and same thing, and we're going to eat it by your yummy thing. So guys, I hope you like this video. You can try this cake, it's super yummy. So like and share and subscribe and enjoy this video and share with your friends. Bye!
I want to go to my classes. I have skating class in clubhouse. I have music lesson learning app. I have every classes in the world who made it. But coronavirus made this worst things that we can't go out to. And why is it important? Maybe you should see the newspaper is important or not.